Okay, so the stabilizer fins, we see that they're active and they're working. And you can see on that graph they're moving back and forth. Okay, straighten the boat up towards the marine and then pull us back to idle and see if it will automatically center the fins.
Yeah, I thought it was at 4 knots that it...
Well, that would make it GPS connected, but since you have the optical sensors on the shaft, it's RPM connected. Okay, they did not center, so it's up to you.
We're still going 7.5.
The boat is, but not the propeller shafts.
I agree. So
Okay.
can it be working off of speed?
It's not working at all. So go ahead and touch center, and manually center it. See the button there? Center.
Yes.
Okay, so now they're centered, so now we can do our docking and our anchoring and our reverse.